tag anong istagilan kung sa kaiba bigla ko mother dumi sa Sun Life event sa Metro Center Hotel kay nami o motor sa mga
Una ko na to fill up ang mga lingkuranan sa tubangan.
96.3 Easy Rock.
sa Metro Center Hotel sa kanya
Sa mga
series na series ni Valina ng van kay nito pagkandado
Anak may gurian. Tangan ni suka ma. Tangan. Ani? Alang ni.
Dip. Pilmiro ni murong kaon.
Nagiday ko ano?
Ha?
Kalbo na ning kwan kanang. Sila na nakaramot.
Oo.
Mura namang putik lami og Pinoy no?
Oh, mura ra. Ang Pinoy lang kay walay sabaw.
oy ikuan na kay tagaan na to si CJ
I got cold. They're gonna throw along the seawall here. And right away I managed to get a little bit of attention and I ended up hooking something. God, that's called a little lizardfish. This is definitely a... Yeah, these are kind of weird looking guys. But thankfully this fish got me a level up. Now it's time to do some serious fishing. For level 68, I'm partnered with my friend OC Fishing. And for this level, we're using a $20,000 fishing jet ski. Water, I genuinely don't know what I'm bringing up until I see it at the boat. And that's part of the reason why deep sea fishing is so much fun. This is an American red snapper and I've actually never caught one of these before. To give you a better sense of how many fish are below the boat, all these spots are fish. Wow, all of those are fish. That's crazy. Now it's time to catch something much bigger. I'm a lefty, so I grabbed this left-hand reel, put a little greenback on my hook, and sent it down for the monster. I was prepared for the fish I was about to hook. And if you saw that, I tried to lift this fish and it did not move. Oh boy. Boy's trying to get down it. And when fish get as big as this one, they're smart. So right now...
move na
Tagtaon ko.
adto sila ilaan
Tagtag ka na yung baw-baw. Palo mo na yan. Bukutra man ni kayo dai.
iluag haluagan mo na diha camping ka dito ha di man kiat ha bye bye love you kiss ko be bye bye
Mataga ka na.
Tulog ka na. Sleep, Rafa. Sleep ka? Kay Uwan? Gamot, Kichi.